This video is a paid ad. Thank you to 1985 Games for your support. Hello everyone and welcome to my return to YouTube. It's probably been a year since I posted, and a lot of things have changed. I moved to Japan, of course, and started my studies over here. I got my first job over here, and I'm currently in my third semester at school. I just started last week. So yeah, it's been quite busy, but it's been an amazing adventure so far, and I truly learned so much, and I can't wait for more adventures. But today we are here to talk about this special package that I got from 1985 Games, and they sent me some goodies for their milk carton dice. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Let's see, we have 3 milk carton dice sets. We have Ichigo, strawberry. We have blueberry, and orange, orange. A lot of the fruit names in Japanese are really easy to learn because they're in English. So 1985 just launched their milk carton dice on Kickstarter, so you can go right now to support and get your own. And today we're going to do a little unboxing, because not only are they really cute dice, they have some extra little goodies inside, so let's check it out. But right off the bat, I really want to focus on the packaging first. As a graphic design student in my undergrad, I've just always been obsessed with really nice design and packaging. So I'm already obsessed. These all look exactly like the milk cartons and juice boxes that you would find in any Japanese grocery store or konbini. Speaking of which, I also got this pudding milk to try out, just because of a cute carton as well, and I thought it would match really well with these. So we'll try this later. And on the side, we have a little backstory for each of the cats. So for strawberry, this is Stella. Stella is a peppy resident of Fruit Meadows, spends her days getting up bright and early to sell her fresh and delicious strawberry milk from the cart she lovingly built with her mom. She dreams of opening an ice cream shop one day. And of course we have the nutrition facts, and Stella has 1000% cute overload, and she's made of 100% strawberry sugar. If you look at the bottom, they actually have 2 beans too. Should we open her up? I want to do this really carefully so I don't ruin anything. I definitely want to keep the cartons. I wonder if I should open it like an actual milk carton at the top, or maybe if I should go from the bottom so I can keep everything intact. We're gonna go with the bottom. Good. So if we take off the tape, it comes apart really easily, so you can still keep the carton, like to keep your little trinkets. Ooh, so we have pink dice for the strawberry set, and as promised we have some extra goodies inside. So we have a sticker and a really cute pin of Stella. The sticker has Stella selling her strawberry milk with the cart that she made with her mom, just like the story said. And the pen looks really, really nice. I really like the colors. They're nice and bright. And she has the cutest strawberry hat on. As for the actual dice, we have 7 dice over here with various shapes. These would be really nice for any dice collectors or tabletop RPG players, or even if you're just a cat lover or a kawaii lover or a stationery lover. Okay, let's open up the blueberry one now. For this one, the story is about Bert. This is Bert, and he is often seen around Fruit Meadows dozing in sunny spots. Reminds me of my cat Udon. The quickest way to end his slumber is waving a freshly baked blueberry pie beneath his nose. After napping, he likes to hide blueberries around town. And once again, the packaging is super cute. And for Bert, he also has 1000% cute overload and 100% blueberry stains. And on the bottom, we have more toe beans. So let's go through the bottom again to open this up really carefully. Ooh, I really like these colors. So for these dice, we once again have 7 pieces. And I just really like these color combos. They have like a lilac, purple, blue, and the numbers are in a light pink. And for the goodies, we have Bert climbing on some milk cartons to go to the telephone. I wonder who he's gonna call. And for the enamel pin, we have Bert laying down for a nap. Okay, before the last one, should we give a little taste test to this pudding milk? And like the milk carton dies, this one also has really cute packaging, and that's always what first catches my attention. Even has a little pudding on top of his head too. So cute. Isn't it cool how similar these packages are? Okay, itadakimasu. Yep, that tastes like Japanese pudding in liquid form. It's really custardy and creamy, and it's not as sweet as I feared it might be. It's really balanced. If you've never had Japanese pudding before, it's basically like a flan or like a really creamy creme brulee. It's just really good. I recommend. Okay, and now for the final milk carton dice. This is orange or orange. Orange, we have Ollie. Ollie is a sweet and shy kitten who loves to go out on sunny days and catch bugs. He's always prepared with a net and a few jars just in case he finds a special bug he likes to draw in his sketchbook. Cicadas are one of his favorites. Now, summer in Japan just ended, and we always have a ton of cicadas in the summer, so I think Ollie would really appreciate that. And for the nutrition facts, Ollie is, again, 1000% cute overload and 100% orange pulp. Okay, let's open Ollie's box up. And here we have Ollie's orange dice. This is another 7-piece set. It's like an orange creamsicle color combo with orange dice with yellow numbers. And for the goodies, we once again have a sticker and a pin. And the sticker is of Ollie taking a little nap after drinking, like 10 cartons of milk? I went to a Korean buffet yesterday with my friends in Tokyo's Koreatown, and I was like this right after too. And here is Ollie's pin. He's so cute. And because of his like yellow creamy color, he really reminds me of udon. So there you have it. These are just 3 of the total 8 designs from the Milk Carton Dice series. You can check all of them out on 1985 Games' Kickstarter. They sent me a little postcard with the QR code to the webpage, but I'll also have the link in my description so you can check it out. And again, I just really love the artwork, and the packaging of these dice are just perfect. Thank you so much again to 1985 Games for sending me these cute goodies. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!